In the journey toward PMP mastery, grasping the subtle distinctions between calculated risks and rash decisions is pivotal. An essential strategy for acing the exam is the ability to differentiate between these contrasting approaches. Let's delve into a scenario faced by a project manager within a construction project, navigating unexpected hikes in material costs, which provides a tangible demonstration of these concepts. Option A. Imagine the project manager reacting impulsively to the cost hike by immediately reducing the project scope without analyzing impacts or involving stakeholders. The focus here is solely on keeping expenses within the predefined budget. Option B. Conversely, picture the project manager swiftly engaging suppliers, negotiating better rates, and exploring alternative sourcing. Collaborating with the procurement team, they analyze strategies to cut costs without compromising quality or timeline. Option C. Now, envision the project manager deciding to take out a high-interest loan to cover the added expenses without consulting financial teams or evaluating long-term implications. Option D. Finally, see the project manager convening an emergency meeting with key stakeholders. They discuss the situation, present potential solutions, and collectively decide on strategies like phased implementation or value engineering to manage costs while upholding project integrity. Now, which scenario do you think showcases a calculated approach in handling unexpected challenges during a project? The correct choices, options B and the option D, depict calculated decision-making processes. Option B focuses on proactive negotiation and analysis, while the option D emphasizes collaboration and structured decision-making with stakeholders to tackle cost increases without jeopardizing quality or ongoing projects. Conversely, options A and C represent rash decisions, either hastily reducing project scope or opting for a loan without proper evaluation.